In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Ray-Ban Meta to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Ray-Ban Meta can easily be connected to any smartphone, including an iOS device of course, so an iPhone. This will be done by using the Meta AI mobile app, so you will need to download a specific application to get this connection done. The app, as I've said before, is called Meta AI. So if you don't have this application, go into the App Store and look for Meta AI. In here, you will be able to connect your Ray-Ban Meta and set it up, configure it, and so on. Once you have the app downloaded, open it up, and you will be met with a screen similar to this. If you have yet to connect the Ray-Ban Meta, you will either tap on this plus sign on the home screen when you go to the devices, or usually you will be prompted to connect a device when you first open the application. Regardless of how it looks, just look for the plus sign or tap on Ray-Ban Meta when you open the app. When you go into Ray-Ban Meta, you will be instructed on these steps. So as you can see, to actually connect it, you need to use the case. So get your glasses ready for pairing. Remove the protective tab and leave the glasses inside of the case. So put the glasses inside of the case and wait 30 seconds for the LED to turn blue. Once this LED has turned blue, it means that pairing mode will now be usable. If this LED doesn't turn blue automatically, press and hold this pairing button at the back of the case. So this button here is the pairing button, and it essentially is going to enable Bluetooth manually. But you should only have to do this if for whatever reason it doesn't go blue automatically. Then once Bluetooth connectivity has been enabled, you can tap on blue LED turned on and proceed. Essentially, it is going to be discoverable by your device, and the Ray-Ban Meta will now be connected to the application. With this done, you can now manage it inside of the app. It is going to appear under your devices, and you will be able to see the current connection status. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Ray-Ban Meta to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.